Happy Monday, all. My name is Mary Solis, your Gen X fitness trainer and nutrition coach. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into why you may not be seeing the results you're looking for and what you can do about it. So stay tuned. Have you ever felt like you're doing all the right things, but the scale won't budge or your progress has stalled? It's frustrating, I know, but don't worry because you're not alone. Today I'm breaking down the real reasons why you're not seeing results and what you can do to turn things around. Drop a fire in the comments if you've ever felt stuck on your fitness journey or your weight loss journey. Here are a few common reasons why you may not be seeing results. One might be that you're only focused on the scale. Your weight isn't the only measure of progress. Think about, are your clothes fitting better? Do you feel stronger? Are you more energized? The scale tends to fluctuate daily due to water, hormones, and muscle gain. So don't let it be the only determination to your success. Another reason might be you're not eating enough. Or maybe you're eating too much. Many women over 40 tend to undereat, which slows down their metabolism. On the flip side, you might be eating too much. Maybe you're consuming too many calories. Are you tracking your portions? Are you fueling your body with the right balance of protein, carbs, or healthy fats? Something else to consider. Are you doing too much cardio and not enough strength training? Cardio is great and all, but muscle is your metabolism's best friend. And if you're not strength training, you're missing out on one of the biggest fat loss tools. Muscle helps you burn more calories, even at rest. So you want to prioritize strength training at least 2 to 3 times a week. Maybe you're not being consistent enough. Are you going all in for a few weeks and then you fall off? Results comes from you doing the most all of the time, not just sometimes. You don't have to be perfect, but you do have to be consistent. Something else to think about. Ignoring sleep and stress. Lack of sleep and high stress can increase your cortisol, which makes it a lot harder for fat loss, especially around the midsection. Are you prioritizing rest, managing your stress? Because sometimes just fixing these things can get you a better result rather than doing another workout. So what to do? Well, track your progress beyond the scale. Measurements, strength gains, and energy level are important. Eat enough protein and balance your meals, not just eating low-calorie foods. Lift weights and build some muscle and stop relying only on cardio. Be patient and consistent because the results will happen. They just don't happen overnight. Prioritize sleep and stress management because this could be the missing link in you getting your results. What reasons do you think is holding you back? I want you to comment below. I want you to also tag a friend who you think might need this reminder today. And if you need more guidance, I'd love to help. Message me for one-on-one coaching. Thank you for being here on Motivational Monday. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.